For Mr. Graham. Homework help! Blah, 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 help! Would you like some help? Okay, cool. Here we go. You should be looking at page 44 in your math workbook. And you may see the following. Hannah scored 3 goals last season. We're going to pay attention to numbers. She scored 4 times as many goals this season. How many goals did Hannah score this season? And they kind of answered it already for you because they had this picture in front of you. Last season it was 3, and she scored 4 times that many. So you see that 3 over here for this season, and you see it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you counted all that up and you know your multiplication tables, you would say, how many goals did Hannah score last season? 3 last season. Count from the number of goals she scored this season. Well, you could count, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, that's the little kid way of doing it. Or how can you use skip counting to find the number of goals Hannah scored this season? You can go 3, 6, 9, 12. Skip counting is like when you count by certain numbers. In this case, we're counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Sorry for my ugly commas. Besides addition, what operation can you use to solve the problem? Oh, I don't know. Times, times, times. What is that? You know what it is. It's multiplication. So yeah, we can use multiplication. And finally, what is 4 times as many as 3? 12. They just wanted you to see that you can use pictures to represent multiplication problems. This is 4 times 3, or 3 times 4. And what you see is the 3 right here, and the times 4 is happening there. And as you can see, that's 12 soccer balls. So yes, 4 times 3 is 12. Hooray for us. One more little question, and it's going to take a little bit of writing on your part. Oh no, writing! You should be getting used to this. Come on, we write in math, we write in science. You don't just write in English, you write in all subjects. What can you think of that has 2 times as many objects as something else? So, basically, they kind of want you to look at page 45. This is on page 45. And you'll see a bar model, and you'll see that when something is getting bigger, that you would say it's getting bigger by that many times. And in the original problem, we had 3 getting bigger by 4 times. So what they're asking here is, what can you think of that has 2 times as many objects as something else? So what can you think of that has a times 2 situation? Where you multiply by 2. I can think of a couple things. Maybe you can think of your own. But one thing is, let's see here. Both my spelled that wrong. Both my hands have 2 times as many fingers as one of my hands. That's one example, right? Because on one hand you only have 5 fingers, but on both hands you have times 2, 5 times 2, 10 fingers. What other examples can you think of? I'm looking around my room right now. Okay. Oh, cool. I got a box of pencils over here. And in one box, I have 3 pencils. And if I looked at a different box, if I move the couple around, there you go. Now the other box has 6 pencils. So the first box had 3, the second box had 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So just think of a scenario, and write it down and talk about it, and think of something that has 2 times as many objects as something else. Want another example? Think about legs. Legs. Humans, me or you, we've got 2 legs, right? Now think about a dog or a cat. They have 2 times as many legs as us. We have 2, they have 2 times that many, so they have 4 legs. So these are all examples of what they want you to say here. Try to write up your own example. Alright, that's all for day 1, pages 44 and 45, and I'll see you around in the next video for some more. Thanks, guys.